In this video, we're going to unbox a Sappi Birds of South Africa and Callfinder box set. It's available in English and Afrikaans, supplied and supported by BK Publishing in Pretoria. Let's open up our box and see what's inside. This is the new edition of the book. Sappi Birds of South Africa by Herman van Niekerk and Saki Kidman is a complete guide to the birds of South Africa. This is the Briza Callfinder device which scans the images and brings the bird calls to life. It comes preloaded with the sound files for the range of Briza Callfinder books. It comes with a lanyard and two AAA batteries. Let's install the batteries and get started. Batteries will typically last a couple of weeks to a couple of months, depending on your use. It's recommended to remove the batteries if you're not going to use your device for a long period of time. A pro tip is to add the screwdriver tool to the lanyard so that the screwdriver is always handy. Sappi Birds of South Africa is a Callfinder ready book. One of 5 specially developed audio-visual books available in English and Afrikaans from Briza Publications. To switch my device on, I'm going to press and hold the on button until it makes a sound, and the blue light switches on. Gently touch the cover to let the device know which book it is reading. Sappi Birds of South Africa includes all 728 birds found in South Africa. It is a very user-friendly book and loved by birders, tourists and nature enthusiasts of all age groups. The shape finder in front of the book helps you find the birds very quickly, as the birds are grouped by their shape. The book starts off with a short, informative introduction to the world of birds, their adaptations, habits, diets, nesting behaviors and migration patterns. The species identification guide starts with water and wetland birds. South Africa has many different permanent wetland and coastal birds as well as some migratory oceanic birds visiting our shores. They are grouped together in the first section of the book, marked with these blue tabs. Here you'll find all the bird descriptions and their sounds. Simply take your pen and softly tap the image. The clear professionally recorded calls will play. If you want the sound to stop playing, you can tap anywhere else on the page. Next up is the largest section of the book, the veld, bush and tree landscape birds. These make up the majority of the birds in South Africa and you can find a wide diversity of common and rare birds here. Birds are grouped according to their different shapes, so you'll find, for example, all the different doves in one place. This makes identifying a bird quick and easy. In each species description, you'll find the common name, followed by a description which includes their coloration, adaptations and habits and other interesting facts. Below each description you'll find the Afrikaans common name as well as the scientific name. The icons are designed to help identify the right habitat and the bird's habits. The key to the icons is found at the beginning of the book as well as on the last page. You can always refer to the map when you're looking at birds that are all very similar. The map will immediately show you if the bird appears at all in your location. The next section includes all the majestic birds of prey and carrion eaters. Eagles, harriers, hawks, falcons and buzzards are followed by owls and vultures. And then in this upgraded edition of Sappi Birds we have the new section to help identify large birds of prey and vultures in flight. We typically only see these birds flying for a few seconds at a time and this section is designed to teach you tricks and tips which will help you find the main markers and features to successfully identify a large bird of prey from below. We finally have our indexes and glossary of terms, followed by Briza's famous dual decks. Common names are listed alphabetically in English and Afrikaans. So no matter if you only know the Afrikaans name or the English name, you can easily find it here. Sappi Birds of South Africa is available right now from shop.bkpublishing.co.za, and you can view more videos about the other Callfinder books on the BK Publishing YouTube channel. Get the family outdoors and explore nature with BK Publishing books and magazines this summer.